Okay, so I'm opening my box from Learn Piano Live. Oh, it's a little penguin and a little pencil. That's cute. And it's like a bag. Oh, neat! It's like a little backpack. Cool. It says, "Dear Emma, welcome to..." Oh, wow. Coplo art. Oh.
So I think that's the mascot. Clopple?
Yeah, yeah, he keeps on like, he pops up in the videos and stuff. It's like, "You're taking too long." This is, oh, it's like a cooking recipe? Clopple's tuxedo
Parfait?
parfait. That's cool. And it's like, and just put on my keyboard.
Oh, stickers. Cool.
And pictures of composers
Okay.
and other famous musicians.
Let me see the backs of those.
Oh, it says
Oh, yeah.
Beethoven, and then like, I guess it gives information. That's cool. Oh wow! It says this is the sticker for your binder cover. Collect each monthly sticker to earn your next binder. Oh wow!
All right, let me see the cover of that.
It's like, that's so cool.
So you put the first sticker on. Oh, yeah, I see the spot where it says first sticker.
Neat. And here's some songs. Here's some, just like...
All right, turn it around so we can see what's inside.
Like, that's so cool. It's like level 1 for the... It's cool, it's like level 1 for a whole bunch of songs. That is so neat, and this is called a quick note cheat sheet. That's cool.
Oh, yes.
That's neat. And then it says like, wow. It doesn't say wow. That's so cool.
Yeah, you got a lot of goodies in there.
Wait. So, oh, it's a little,
Oh, it looks like, is it origami? Like you fold it up?
Yeah.
And then it
It's like,
tucks over the corner of whatever you're working on? A Clopple origami bookmark.
couple origami. That's so neat. Oh, wait a minute. I might just like put that in the fridge.
Yep, future rock star. Awesome.
That's so neat. So it looks like this is like a magnet. Yeah. And then some hoods. Stuck in. And then I think, yeah, these are stickers. Kids Learn Piano Live stickers. Then little buttons. Wow.
That box is just chock full of goodies.
I know.
All
wait,
kinds of good
what's
stuff.
this? I didn't see this. Oh, it's a paper airplane.
Let's see what's on it.
It looks like this is the back, and that's so neat. It says Cloplo's private jet.
All right, let's see the front of it. Oh, cool.
Yeah, there's the bag. It's just like you fold it all up, and hopefully you come out with a private jet. Wow, this is just so full of cool stuff.
Okay, so in addition to your music lessons in a box unboxing, you also got your kit for this week's music lesson. So hand me that box and I'll give you your kit and you can open up your kit for this week's live piano lesson.
Okay. Oh, it looks like you have like a piano theme. I mean, a pirate theme.
Nice.
Hard.
Do you know what song you're doing this week?
I do. It says Top Secret. Okay, so Agent K. That's cute.
Ooh, are you supposed to share that? Is it top secret?
Hold it. Oh, it's information about the song.
Okay.
The bottom number in a time signature tells what kind of note gets one beat. Cool. It's neat. And then this looks like... Oh, look, it's like another sticker.
Okay, for your binder?
For my binder, yeah.
All right.
Okay, so it's called Blow the Man Down. So this is the level 1, and then here's level 2, and this is level 3, and then it keeps going. That's so neat. There's like all 30 pages.
Already printed out for you in color. And
wow.
Very nice.
And it looks like this is like homework almost. Wow.
All right, I think you need to model your eye patch and your pirate hat. Blow the man down. So do you think you will play piano better with an eye patch on?
No.
Okay, thanks, Emma.